Hey guys, welcome back. I want to give you guys a tip of the day. This 2x4, and if you guys own a 90s Chevy truck, 4-door extended cab, doesn't matter, Suburban, Tahoe, if it looks like this, and these doors hang down, and when you get inside, you kind of have to pull up to close them, I'm going to show you guys how to fix this with this little 2x4. See this awesome work? If you want to fix this so you don't have to pull up to close it, here's what you guys need to do. See this hinge down here? Well, this 2x4 fits perfectly inside. Now, you don't want to do this too hard, but you don't want to, you can start off, baby, squishes like this. And you pull it out. So you want to try to close it. It's not that bad now. But if you ever want to fix your doors so you don't have to pull it up no more, open her up. It's kind of hard to do when you're doing camera in this. Squish it, squish it, squish it, squish it, squish it. You don't want to do the top one. You want to do the bottom one. Pull it out, and then close the door. It's not as bad as it was. Not even close. Your door will close finally without you having to pull it up. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a good day.